Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can log out of your Voice Sing Karaoke account. So first of all, open the Voice Sing Karaoke app. Now tap on the no thanks option. It's general information provided by the app. Now make sure you are already logged into your Voice Sing Karaoke account. Now to log out of your Voice Sing Karaoke account, on the bottom of the screen you will see a icon with me written underneath it. Tap on the icon. Now, on the upper right corner of the screen, you will see a gear-like icon between two other icons. Tap on the gear-like icon and this will open your settings page, as you can see. Now to log out of your Voice Sing Karaoke account, scroll down and you will see your option with Logout. Tap on it and tap on the yes option to reconfirm your logout. So logging out will remove your recording from this device, as you can see. So that's how you can log out from your Voice Sing Karaoke account. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.